In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Notion using the subtract operator. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of how to perform this operation in your Notion database. To start with, it's important to recognize what data you can work with. In this scenario, we're going to manipulate data from a number property column. Essentially, this means that the data from a number property will serve as the value for your subtraction equation later on. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine you have two number columns in your database, and your task is to subtract the values in one column from those in another. To do this, you're going to need to add a new property. Go ahead and add one now, but make sure you select the property type as formula. This setting is crucial because it tells Notion that you'll be entering a formula or equation into the new column. Once you've selected formula, click on the cell where you wish to enter your subtract equation. You'll notice an equation box appears. This is where the magic happens. At the bottom of this box, you'll see your property columns displayed. For this example, let's say we're going to subtract the values in column number 1 from those in column number 2. Start by selecting the first column, which we'll refer to as number 1. Click on it, and then type a dash or a minus sign. This dash functions as the subtract operator in Notion, just like in standard mathematics. It's a simple but powerful tool that tells Notion you want to perform a subtraction operation. After you've entered the dash, go ahead and select your second number column, number 2. After completing this equation, all that's left to do is click Done. You'll instantly see the results populate in your formula column. Notion does the heavy lifting for you, carrying out the subtraction for all the data entries across your rows. The values now reflect the difference between the numbers in your two original columns, neatly displayed in this new formula column you've created. And that's really all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully used Notion's subtract operator to calculate and display differences in your database. Once you've mastered this, you'll be equipped to handle more complex calculations and start automating some of your data processes, making Notion an even more powerful tool for managing your information. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful for enhancing your Notion skills. Until next time.